Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Joris Tolentino Barros. So, yung video na to ay pang academic purpose lang. Pinapagawa sa amin ng prof na to. Wala akong angal. Di pwede umangal. So, ayun nga. Didiscuss ko lang naman yung about sa input and output device. So, let's start. Ano nga ba ang input device? An input device is essentially a piece of hardware that sends data to computer. Most input devices either interact with the control of computer in some way. The most common input devices are the mouse and the keyboard, but there are many others. So ayun nga guys, maraming pinagagamitan ng input device like mouse, keyboard, kung saan tayo makapag-input like number or gamit yung mouse, i-click mo lang, di ba? Mag-click ka, gagalaw-galaw mo, yun no? Sa keyboard naman, ando dun yung mga numbers, letters, mga symbol. So ayun nga, next naman, keyboard. Keyboard is a human interface device which represented as a layout of buttons. Each buttons or key can be used to either input linguistic character to computer or to call upon particular function of the computer. So, ang keyboard daw ay isa daw sa nagpapagana sa isang computer. At siya ay taga-input. Like, ayun nga, sinabi ko yung letters, tapos numbers. May mga arrow din dyan. Ayun yung mga symbol. So, next naman is mouse. Mouse pointing devices are the most commonly used input devices today. A pointing device is any human interface device that allows a user to input special data to a computer. So, ayun nga guys, yung mouse. Siyempre, di mawawala sa computer yan. Kailangan yan. Siya yung taga-input. Siya yung taga-click, taga-point. Siya yung commonly na ginagamit ng mga tao. Parang siya yung tao eh. Siyempre, kukontrol mo. Parang utak yan. Kukontrol mo siya. Pero yun. So, next naman. Next is touchpad. Also known as a trackpad, touchpad is common substitute for a computer mouse. It is essentially a special surface that can detect the movement. So, yung touchpad daw, commonly ginagamit siya sa laptop. Pang substitute. Pag wala yung mouse, kailangan gamitin yung touchpad. Yung, basta makikita nyo yun dyan sa presentation. So, next naman is the digital camera. Digital camera are used to capture photographs and videos independently. Later, these photo and videos files can be transferred to a computer by connecting the camera directly with a cable. So, ayun nga guys. Alam niyo naman yun kasi nga, nasa 21st century na tayo. Mga millennial tayo, baka hindi nyo pa rin alam yung digital camera. So, yung ginagamit yan para sa pagkuha ng videos, pag-vlog, di ba? So, ayun nga guys, pwede nga siyang mag-transfer sa computer gamit na ng cable kung gusto nyo mag-upload yun. So next is microphone captures audio and sends it to a computer where it converted to the digital format. Once the audio has been digitized, it can be displayed, copied, edited, upload, or emailed. Microphones can be also be used to record or video to relay sounds like as a part of video, chat, or audio stream. So, ayun nga guys, yung microphone, syempre, input, tas output. Yung microphone guys, alam niyo naman yung pwede siyang gamitin pang vlog, pwede siyang paggamit pang pang-stream. Syempre, kailangan marinig ng mga tao yung boses, like music, yung pagkanta, diba? So, ayun nga, next naman. Next is touchscreen. Many devices nowadays use a touchscreen rather than mouse as a way for users to point, drag, or select option on a screen. So, yung touchscreen nga guys, Alam na natin yan, ginagamit yan. Kasi nga, di ba? Ginagamit natin yun sa cellphone. Wala na yung dipindot, di ba? Gumagamit lang yun sa mga may kabit. Pero, so, next is webcam. Webcams are different from digital camera in two ways. First, they cannot operate independently from computer, and second, they have no inbuilt memory. So, yun nga guys, webcam. Ibig sabihin ng webcam, kasama sa computer yan, di ba? Di mawawala. Ayun yung ginagamit ng mga streamer. O kaya, may ka-video. Call ka, video chat, di ba? Isa dati sa Skype. Sikat dati yun, di ba? Ayun yung ginagamit. So, next is the output device. Yan. Tapos na tayo sa input device, guys. Doon naman tayo sa output. So, sa output device, an output device is a piece of computer hardware that receives data from computer and then translates that data into another form. Ayun nga guys, yung output nga daw, siya yung taga-receive ng mga data sa computer at nagta-transfer sa another form like visual, audio, textual, hard copy, and printed document. So, ayun yun. Output device. Next naman is monitor. Monitor consists of screen, circuitry, a power supply, buttons to adjust screen settings, and